In this video, I'll show you how you can add custom CSS to your WordPress website. Now keep in mind, if you have the free plan, you cannot actually add it, but I'll still show you how you can do it. So you actually have to upgrade and not use the free plan, but I'll show you how to do it anyways. So you want to head to your WordPress admin, so click on the WordPress logo. And once you're in here, what you want to do is you want to head to Appearance, click on it. Once you're in Appearance, select Customize. Once you're under Customize, you'll see one called Additional CSS. You want to click on this, and as you can see, it says I need to purchase the premium plan, but if you have the premium plan or above, you can simply paste your CSS code in here. After that, you just want to press Save, and then it will be saved. So that is basically how it works. Like I said, you need to have a premium plan before this works, but that is how you can do it. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.